All right, welcome to our summer practices workshop. We've got a full house here in the studio. We've got plenty of people joining us online, and I'm looking forward to sharing with you what I have to share with you today. My strong sense is you'll learn a lot and we'll have fun while we're doing it. And you will take away the foundation for a Qigong practice that you can begin to play around with and experiment with this summer, and I will encourage you to do that. So for starters, I wanted to get us moving. So let's get up. Widen your stance a little. Sink into your legs a comfortable amount. Place your hands, palms up in front of your hips. Feel this circular shape. Now stretch up your legs, elevate your hands, and somewhere around your shoulders or your throat, turn them over. Then circle out. Then sink into your legs to bring the hands down and in. Stretch up the legs to elevate the arms and hands. They turn over. Circle out, down and in. We'll just do some repetitions of this fairly straightforward move. It's called lifting the sky. It's from an ancient Qigong set called 8 brocades. And I encourage you now that you get the basics of the movement, you all do very nicely. Feel what it feels like in your body to do this move. What, if any, sensations can you discern stimulated by this movement? Nice. You're all picking this up. Two more. Then come to the starting position. Shift weight, bring your stance in, and grab a seat.